Hi there, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. We're getting to 90 degrees outside. Thank you for watching this clip on finding derivative of a pretty complicated equation here. Let's get started. Obviously, we're going to be using product rules because we have two things multiplying. So the product rule says take derivative of the first part. Well, that should be easy. It's 1 over x squared minus 5x and then times the derivative of the inside. I'm just going to write it on top, which is 2x minus 5. Okay, and then you leave the second one alone, 3 times x to minus 7 to the half. Okay, so that's the first part. And then you're supposed to add, not leave the first part alone, pretend that you're neighbors. So you leave the first neighbor alone. Now you're going to take derivative of the second one. I'm running out of room, so I'm going to write over here. Times derivative of the second one, which is 2/3 x minus 7 to the negative 1/2. Okay, so at this point, you're done. Theoretically, it's messy, but there's nothing wrong on it. So on the test, if you run out of time, leave the way it is. Okay, your teacher at best might be taking 1 point away because you didn't simplify it. Next step is easy, but it's really easy also to make mistakes. So first thing to do is we're gonna make a common denominator. This whole chunk here is basically 2x minus 7 radical root on the bottom. Okay, the reason I want to do that, well, first of all, there's two things adding, and there's a radical root in there already, so I can take advantage of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the first term, which is 2x minus 5. I got to be careful so I don't make any mistakes here. X squared minus 5x over here, and then I'm going to multiply 3 radical x minus 7. Now remember, I multiplied it 2 radical x minus 7 to give me a common denominator here, and then I have a natural log of absolute value x squared minus 5x. Now this one is actually a parenthesis. Alright, one more step to go and then we're there. We have I think I missed a 3 here. There's a 3 here. Let's pull the 3 outside, and then I have twice of 2x minus 5 divided by x squared minus 5x. And now you notice I'm writing really slowly because from my experience I know this is where I usually make a mistake. In the effort of trying to make it clean, I actually make a mistake. So on the test I always say if you're going to simplify, make sure you don't lose any points. Otherwise you're better off just get 1 point taking off for not simplifying instead of missing the whole thing. So let's check. So I have a 3 here. Well, it's because I pulled it out. And then twice of this and 2x minus 5 divided by this thing plus, oh, this 3 shouldn't be there because I pulled it out front. Natural log of x squared minus 5 with absolute value. We have to make sure the domain here is positive. Alright, well, that's how we solve this type of problem. I hope it's clear. Please leave a comment on YouTube for this video and let me know if you liked it, you hated it, you liked it, or helped you at all. Any comment, feedback you have, I would appreciate it. Alright, till next time, have a confident day.